gone.
Right. So for the good news is that a lot of the roads have been treated, so that's really good, especially the main roads. But it could be those back roads that create kind of an issue for your travel this morning. So any roads that are left untreated could be a little bit slippery, especially across areas north and west of the Beltway. Radar right now is showing a lot of this snow located to the north of the state, and taking a look at the latest alerts from the National Weather Service, winter weather advisories are in effect right now through late this afternoon for Frederick County and for areas farther west, as snowfall totals the farther west of Baltimore could range anywhere from 1 to 3 inches when it's all said and done. And ice, there could be a light glazing of ice that forms, as well as that freezing rain kind of mixes in. But throughout central Maryland, throughout this event, we are mainly just going to be dealing with cold rain. That's going to be the main type of precipitation. Temperatures right now are starting off in the mid to upper 30s, very similar to yesterday morning, but you notice that temperatures are right around freezing in Frederick County, so there is that chance for more of that snow to accumulate, which is the reason why they are under winter weather advisories already. So today for your Wednesday, we could be dealing with that brief wintry mix across northwestern Carroll and Baltimore counties. It's going to be a very brief, very small window before that cold rain takes over by noon, because temperatures will be warming into the 40s. Winds will be gusty throughout the day, upwards of 30 miles per hour at times. You can see a lot of that moisture located off towards our west. Chicago getting hit with some of that snow, and that heavier snow is setting up shop across St. Louis and even Indianapolis. Down towards the south and west, you see a lot of that heavy rain pushing through Lexington, Kentucky, and also throughout a good chunk of Tennessee. So we will be dealing with this moisture arriving by the mid-morning hours, lingering into later on this morning. This is where we could see that wet snow mix in across Parkton, out towards Westminster, and especially closer to Thurmont in northern Frederick County. But this latest model shows that we'll be dealing with mainly just cold rain by noon, as temperatures warm near the surface into the 40s, dealing with periods of moderate to heavy rain at times through the afternoon. These showers don't go anywhere. They linger into the evening. So for the evening commute, it is looking damp and soggy, but that rain is going to wash away any snowfall that we see. So for the evening drive, it's just going to be looking very damp, and then we clear things out overnight into your Thursday. So this is not expected to be a very significant snowfall event for the Baltimore Metro. So I apologize to all those snow lovers out there, but I know Randall's pretty happy about this. A slushy coating is possible right around Westminster and for areas farther north and west, mostly just dealing with cold rain around the city and for areas farther south. Rainfall totals could add up to about an inch for most spots, especially for locations south and east of the I-95 corridor. Tomorrow we will be drier, but our winds are going to kick up, gusting anywhere from 35 to 40 miles per hour, making it feel blustery throughout the day tomorrow. So your 7-day forecast, 48 degrees today, dealing with that wintry mix this morning very briefly before it turns over to all cold rain. So grab that rain jacket before you head outside. The kids will need it as well. 46 degrees for tomorrow. Our temperatures drop off Friday, feeling very chilly as we finish off the work week. Lower 50s this weekend, dealing with a mix of sun and clouds with a slight chance of an evening rain shower on Sunday. Randall?
Good stuff, Stevie. Thank you. Paul Weederfield.